So guys, reset Windows update component. So in the CMD, so click to start, type CMD, then right click, then run as administrator, then click to yes. So I will give you link in descriptions all command. Okay, this command first, this one. Okay, you can run this command Windows 10 also. Okay, then type first, then hit enter, that net stop, and like that hit stopping Windows service. This Windows update service is stopping. Then next, so if any command is not accept, so you don't worry, try to different next one, some Windows version, and okay, then yes. Yes, type Y. Yes for Y for yes, and for no, then hit enter. This one. Then same start. This is stop and this is start. Then this one. Last. Okay. So this command I will give you in the descriptions. This is for reset update component. So guys, how to uninstall Windows update? Okay, so click to start, type control panel, view by category, select category, then click to uninstall a program, view install update. You can select the full screen. Wait, it is showing the all update which is installed, already installed your system. So like this, it is showing like this with date. Okay, so if you're getting after update you facing some issue related to your system, so you can install it like that and install the update last. Try to last. If getting only one, so wait for uninstalling. Okay, Okay, so last, which is you can check the date. Okay, so it will same, so you can uninstall which is showing same date. With same date updates, you have to uninstall it. So it is uninstalled. Then you can restart your system. So remove LAN cable from your system, your laptop and desktop. If you connected with your Wi-Fi, so turn off Wi-Fi and then restart. If you do not, this doesn't connect to internet, so might be this is reinstall this update again. Okay, thank you. How to reset network setting? Click to start, go to setting, then click to network and internet, advanced setting, networks reset, and then click to reset now and then click to yes. So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.